Hey, David.
Hey, Anna. Come in, come in.
Thanks. Your place feels so warm today.
I just made tea. Do you want some?
Yes, please. I love tea on cold afternoons.
Me too. It makes everything feel, I don't know, slower, calmer.
Exactly. I need that today.
Why? Did something happen?
Not something bad, just a lot of small things, you know?
I know that feeling. Some days are like that.
Yeah. So, how are you, really? Not just fine. Really.
Honestly, I'm a little tired, but it's a good tired.
Good tired?
Yeah, like I worked hard this week, but I also felt happy. Does that make sense?
It makes total sense. I think that's the best kind of tired.
What about you? How do you feel today?
I feel okay. A little embarrassed, actually.
Embarrassed? Why?
I'll tell you. But first, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you ever feel like you're the only one who makes certain mistakes?
All the time.
Really?
Really? But then I talk to people and I realize everyone makes mistakes. We just don't talk about them enough.
That's true. That actually makes me feel better.
So, what happened?
Okay, so this morning I went to the bakery near my apartment.
The one with the really good bread?
Yes, that one. I love that place.
Me too. Their croissants are amazing.
I know. So I walked in, and there was a new person at the counter, a young guy, maybe 20 years old.
Okay,
And he smiled and said, "Good morning, what can I get for you?"
that's nice.
Yes, so I said, "I'd like 2 croissants, please."
Sounds normal so far.
Wait, so he put 2 croissants in a bag. Then he said, "Anything else?"
And?
And I said, "Yes, can I also have a smile?"
What?
I meant to say, "Can I also have a muffin?" But I said, "Smile."
Oh no.
I didn't even realize at first. He just looked at me. His face was so confused.
What did he do?
He smiled, a huge smile. Then he said, "Of course, here you go."
That's so sweet.
I know, but I felt so embarrassed. I wanted to disappear.
Did you get the muffin?
No, I just took my croissants and left. I was so nervous.
Anna, that's actually really cute.
Cute? I sounded like a crazy person.
No, you didn't. You sounded human. And honestly, that guy probably felt happy. You made his morning interesting.
You think so?
I know so. Most customers just say thank you and leave. You asked for a smile. That's memorable.
I guess when you say it like that, it's not so bad.
It's not bad at all. It's actually kind of beautiful.
Okay, I feel a little better now.
Good, because I have a story too, and mine is worse.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Tell me, please.
All right. So, yesterday I had a meeting at work, a big one,
With your boss?
with my boss and 2 other managers, very important people.
Oh no, I already know this is going to be good.
Just wait. So we're sitting in the meeting room. It's very quiet, very serious.
Mm-hmm.
And my boss starts talking about the new project. She's explaining everything, numbers, dates, goals.
Okay.
And I'm listening, I'm nodding, I'm trying to look smart.
Right?
But then my stomach starts making noises.
No.
Yes, loud noises, like a lion, like a truck. I don't even know what sound it was.
Oh, David!
Everyone heard it. The whole room went silent.
What did you do?
I just sat there, frozen. My face was so hot.
Did anyone say anything?
My boss looked at me and said, "David, did you eat breakfast?"
What did you say?
I said, "Yes, but I think my breakfast is angry."
You said that?
I panicked. I didn't know what to say.
That's actually pretty funny.
One of the managers laughed, a real loud laugh. Then everyone relaxed.
See, it wasn't so bad.
I guess not, but I felt so small in that moment.
I understand. But you handled it well. You made a joke. That's brave.
Thanks, Anna. I needed to hear that.
We all have those moments. That's life.
It really is. Hey, can I tell you something else?
Of course.
I've been thinking a lot about mistakes lately.
What do you mean?
Like, why do we feel so bad when we make them, especially small ones?
That's a good question.
I think it's because we want people to see us as perfect, but we're not perfect. Nobody is.
That's true. I think we forget that other people make mistakes too.
Exactly. And honestly, those mistakes make us more human, more real.
I love that. I never thought about it that way.
Me neither. Not until this week.
So, what changed?
I was talking to my neighbor. Her name is Grace. She's about 70 years old.
Oh, I think you mentioned her before.
Yeah, she's wonderful, very wise.
What did she say?
We were standing outside our building. She was watering her plants, and I told her about my meeting, the stomach noise, everything.
And?
She laughed, not in a mean way, in a kind way. Then she said, "David, do you know what I remember most about people?
What?
The moments when they were imperfect. Those are the moments that stay with me, because that's when I see their heart."
Wow.
I know, it really hit me.
That's beautiful, David.
It is. And now I'm trying to be kinder to myself. When I mess up, I just think, this is a human moment.
I love that. A human moment. I'm going to use that.
Please do.
You know, I think a lot of people listening to us right now probably feel the same way.
What do you mean?
I mean, when you're learning English, you make mistakes all the time, every day.
That's true.
And sometimes it feels so hard. Like, why can't I just say it right?
Yeah, I bet that's really frustrating.
But maybe those mistakes are actually good.
How?
Because they mean you're trying, you're speaking, you're brave.
I never thought about it like that.
Me neither, but it's true. Every mistake is proof that you're learning.
That's a really good way to see it.
I hope the people listening can hear this. If you made a mistake in English today, that's okay. Really, it's okay.
More than okay. It's actually great because it means you're growing.
Exactly.
Hey, Anna, do you remember when we first met?
Of course, at the coffee shop, right?
Yeah, you were reading a book.
I was, and you asked me what I was reading.
And you told me, but I didn't understand the title.
Really?
Really? You said it so fast. I just smiled and said, "Oh, nice."
You never told me that.
I was too embarrassed. I didn't want you to think I wasn't listening.
David, that's so funny.
I know, but now we're friends, so it doesn't matter.
It really doesn't. I'm glad you talked to me that day.
Me too.
Do you ever think about how many good things come from small moments?
What do you mean?
Like, if you didn't talk to me that day, we wouldn't be friends now.
That's true.
And if I didn't go to the bakery this morning, I wouldn't have that funny story.
And if my stomach didn't make noise, I wouldn't have learned that lesson from Grace.
See? Small moments matter.
They really do. I think we should pay more attention to them.
I agree. Life isn't just the big things, it's the little things too.
Like tea on a cold afternoon.
Like a smile from a stranger.
Like a laugh in a serious meeting.
Exactly.
Anna, I have another story, but this one is about my sister.
Oh, how is she?
She's good, but she's going through something right now.
What's happening?
She just started a new job at a flower shop.
That sounds lovely.
It is, but she's very nervous.
Why?
Because she doesn't know a lot about flowers yet, and she's afraid she'll make a mistake.
I understand that feeling.
So last week, a customer came in, a man. He wanted flowers for his wife.
Okay.
And my sister asked, "What's the occasion?"
That's a good question.
The man said, "It's our anniversary."
Sweet.
So my sister said, "How wonderful. How many years?"
Mm-hmm.
And the man said, 15.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yes, so my sister wanted to make it special. She picked the most beautiful roses, red, white, pink. She made a huge bouquet.
That sounds perfect.
It was, but then she wrote the card.
Uh-oh.
She wrote, "Happy 50th anniversary."
No, she didn't.
She did. She heard 50 instead of 15.
Oh, no. What happened?
The man looked at the card. He smiled. Then he said, "I think you mean 15.
Was he upset?
No, he was so kind. He said, "Don't worry, maybe in 35 years I'll come back and use this card again."
That's so sweet.
My sister felt so bad, but the man just laughed. He said, "Mistakes happen. The flowers are beautiful. That's what matters."
What a nice person.
I know. My sister called me that night. She was almost crying. She said, "David, I'm so bad at this job."
Poor thing.
I told her, "No, you're not. You're learning." And that man didn't care about the card. He cared about the love behind it.
That's exactly right.
She felt a little better after that.
I hope she's feeling more confident now.
She is. She told me yesterday, "I made 3 perfect bouquets today. No mistakes."
That's wonderful.
Yeah, I'm proud of her.
You should be. It takes courage to keep going after you mess up.
It really does.
You know what I've been thinking about?
What?
Like, when I said smile instead of muffin, I was so mean to myself. In my head, I said, Anna, you're so stupid.
Really?
Yeah, but I would never say that to a friend.
You're right.
So why do we say it to ourselves?
I don't know, but I do the same thing.
We need to be kinder. To ourselves.
I agree. We deserve that kindness.
We do.
Hey, I want to ask you something.
Sure.
Do you have a moment that changed the way you see things?
Let me think. Yes, actually I do.
Tell me.
Okay, so a few months ago, I was on the bus, going home from work.
Mm-hmm.
And I was sitting near the back. The bus was crowded. People were standing, holding the rails.
Okay.
And there was an older woman standing near me. She looked tired.
Did you give her your seat?
I wanted to, but I was scared.
Scared? Why?
I don't know. I thought, what if she gets offended? What if she thinks I'm saying she's old?
I've felt that way too.
So I just sat there, but I felt terrible.
What happened?
A young guy across from me stood up. He smiled at the woman and said, "Please, sit here."
That's kind.
And the woman smiled so big. She said, "Thank you, sweetheart. My feet are so tired today."
See? She was happy.
Exactly. And I realized I was overthinking. Kindness is simple. Just do it.
That's a really good lesson.
It is. Now, whenever I see someone who needs help, I just offer. I don't think too much.
That's beautiful, Anna.
Thanks. It's still hard sometimes, but I'm trying.
That's all we can do. Try.
Yeah.
You know, I think the people listening to us might have questions.
What kind of questions?
Like, how do I stop being afraid to speak English?
Oh, that's a big one.
It is. What would you say?
I would say start small. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to connect.
I love that. Try to connect.
Because that's what language is for, right? Connection.
Exactly. It's not about sounding perfect. It's about being understood and understanding others.
Yes. And even if you make mistakes, people will still understand your heart.
That's true. I've met people who speak English with lots of mistakes, but I always understand what they mean.
Me too, because communication is more than words.
Its tone, its body language, its intention.
Exactly.
So, to anyone listening, please don't be afraid. Your English is enough.
It really is. You are enough.
And every time you practice, you're getting better.
Even if you don't feel it, you are.
Trust the process.
I love that. Trust the process.
Anna, I think we should ask our listeners something.
Okay, what?
We should ask them to share a story.
Yes, I love that idea.
A story about a small moment, a moment that mattered.
It could be a mistake, or a kindness, or something funny.
Anything, as long as it's real.
And if they want, they can write it in English, even just a few sentences.
That's great practice, and we'd love to read them.
We really would. Every story matters.
And here's another question.
What?
When was the last time you were kind to yourself?
Ooh, that's a good one.
I think it's important. We need to remember to be gentle with ourselves.
Especially when we're learning something new.
Yes. So think about it and maybe write it down. What's one kind thing you can say to yourself today?
I love that.
Me too.
David, I think we've been talking for a while.
Yeah, time goes fast when we talk like this.
It does, but I don't want to stop.
Me neither, but maybe we should let people rest. Give them time to think.
You're right. We don't want to overwhelm anyone.
No, this is supposed to be relaxing. Easy.
It is. I feel so calm right now.
Me too. Thank you for coming over, Anna.
Thank you for the tea and the conversation.
Anytime, really.
I know. That's what I love about us. We can just talk about anything.
About everything.
Yeah,
Before you go, can I say something to everyone listening?
of course.
Okay, so if you're listening to this right now, thank you, really. Thank you for being here.
We mean that. We're so happy you're with us.
And we hope this conversation made you feel something. Maybe a smile, maybe a little comfort.
Maybe just less alone.
Because you're not alone. We're all learning. We're all growing. We're all making mistakes.
And that's okay.
More than okay. It's beautiful.
It really is.
So keep going. Keep trying. Keep speaking. Keep being you.
Your voice matters. Your story matters. You matter.
And if you want to practice more, come back. Listen again. Write in the comments. Share your thoughts.
We're here for you. Always.
Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Anna, this was really nice.
It was. Let's do it again soon.
Definitely.
All right, everyone. Take care of yourselves. Be kind. Be patient.
And remember, every small moment matters.
Every single one.
See you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.